Board examinations in the state postponed until further orders. 69 youth came out from Jowai to assist in different corona care centers in town. And now the news in detail. Briefing the media today, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong informed that lockdown is extended in East Khasi Hills till 5 a.m. of 17th May 2021, with weekend lockdown throughout the state from 10 p.m. of Friday to 5 a.m. of Monday.
That decision has been taken again. Number one, lockdown will continue in East Khasi Hills district. Lockdown will continue till next Monday, 5 a.m. The lockdown in East Khasi Hills will continue till 5 a.m. morning. Why we have taken this decision? Because, as I've already told you, the situation is so serious and very, very grim. Therefore, I would request all the citizens of the district, East Khasi Hills, to bear and to be with us together in fighting the COVID-19. And again, the next decision we've taken today, the weekend lockdown, which was imposed since last night at 10 a.m., will also continue throughout the state. Weekend lockdown throughout the state from 10 p.m. of every Friday up to 5 a.m. of every Monday will continue in the entire state.
In the meeting, it was also decided that banks and post offices will be allowed to function with limited employees.
Kikam ki bengisha bantrei menta kolong ngisha tang ya ki banks but ki post office but ya kaniru nila ai kin instruction ba kin penduna ye kin nong trei ki jongki hala ki jong ki office na ka benta ka East Khasi Hills baro kawai kata kadai kawai ka bangi ni ailat hakani ka lockdown ka ban sedang biang nadu san baje men step haka shipautorik ka ban sakut haka khat nyautorik Monday san baje men step.
Construction works are allowed to continue. Laborers are not allowed to move to other premises. These laborers are allowed to work with strict adherence to health protocols.
Construction site where of such premises or campus. Instruction will be issued accordingly to the employers of such construction activities by the deputy commissioners. And I would like to request those employers, those contractors to adhere the SOPs, the protocols to be issued by the district administration.
Reiterating the fact that situation in the state is grim, the Deputy Chief Minister urges the locality heads to assist in the regulations of different localities regarding the availability of essential commodities. Essential shops in the localities are to follow suit of the health protocols.
Again, continue to open with strict SOP, and especially we would like to encourage those essential shops located in the respective locality with close understanding, coordination from the government and the local authority, the Rangba Shnong, the committee Shnong. We would like to encourage that such shops can be kept open during the lockdown.
Due to rising case in the city, different board examinations in the state are postponed until further orders.
Next decision we taken today relating to the remaining subjects of class 12 examination. Today we decided to postpone again this exam, and we have already instructed Education Department to again issue notification accordingly to the respective students who suppose to complete their remaining subjects during these few days.
100 days work under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act are allowed to function with strict adherence to health protocols.
Ka East Khasi Hills, Menta ka Jarmit, Kito ki jingtray sispa asngi, ha kisnong kendong bat kisnong ki baper, ki baham, hapo ka East Khasi Hills, bat kumju ha ke jela Meghalaya jongi barok kaway, ya kaningi ailat, ba kintray rengkat bat ki protocols.
The Deputy Chief Minister also informed, even farming activities are allowed with strict adherence to health protocols.
Kabaar, ka farming activities, kabayaday bat kin nongrep, lase kade ka por thung ka por tep, lade kade ka por bakin khet, ya ki jing thung ki jing tep jongki, ya kataru, nakaliang joko sorkar, ka ailat, tangba, ki haban bot perking, ya ki protocols, ki ba ka health department, kala issue, hakine kisngi ki balat dep.
Following complaints from farmers about the perishable items, the government has activated the NARI and I teams to collect the farmers' produce and sell the vegetables and other items to different parts of the city and the state as well.
La sedang biang, ngila revive biang, ngila reactivate biang, ya katuka team ka bangi ong, ka NARI, bat ka 1917 items. 1917 items, bat ni syania hakine kiseng, bakin ya tie up, bakin ya penbej, bat kitu ki local traders, hakabakumnu nla ban sim ya ketuka mar rep ke jongki, bat ru ban penpoi syaka jaka ka bedon kam, na kabenta kawai ban penim ya kinong rep, bat kaba arpat, na kabenta kinong sok snong jong ke jela ke jongi, bakin yo ya ki jhur ke jhep, ha ki tengkong ying ke jongki, tenakadaw nga kerpat ya kinong rep, bakin nem da kuslai than sapang ki marep ki mariang ke jongki, na kaliang ke jong sorkar, ngila IT, ha ka district administration, bakin penbit kin penbiang la bandon ke jingduna hang ni hang tai kat tu kan ni, nrei kat banang mi kesngi, ngin penjanai, ngin penbit, ngin penbiang, kadang ba kan num don jing yakin nong song snong, bat kham tam ru na ka benta jong kin nong rep jongi, kiba im lemba ka rep karyang ka jongki. Kita kidai ki jing penbena jongi akan ke janmit te.
In the press briefing from the Health Department, Dr. Amanwar, the Director of Health Services, informed that 375 new cases were recorded today. The total number of COVID-19 positive cases summed up to 19,302, with 11 deaths recorded today. The mortality rate in the state stands at 210 deaths in total, with 16,414 recoveries.
Yeah, I would like to update the number of cases as of today, 8th of May 2021. The number of new cases is 375. The number of recoveries 152. So the total number of active cases as of date is 2,678, and only in East Khas Hills alone is 1,583. The number of new deaths from last evening till now is 11, and all in East Khas Hills.
In the fight against the pandemic, the state is in urgent need of more manpower from different fields. Medical staffs, security guards and others are working hand in hand to stop the spread of this deadly virus which have taken the lives of millions and millions around the world. Around 69 youth, both boys and girls, who have completed different courses and trainings in NCC, Home Guard, Civil Defense, Security Guard and others, came out to offer themselves for the service of the state at this time of crisis. These 69 youth will be placed in different Corona care centers in town. These youth are taken care by the Meghalaya Security and Services Organization, Shillong. A good-hearted person by the name of Pandap Langmuksor came forward to extend his hand for taking care of the transportation of these 69 youth from Jowai to Shillong. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.